Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I get fresh vegetables into my body every week. Everybody knows that raw, fresh vegetables are so good for you. It's just that it seems very time consuming to chop them up every night for dinner making a salad. And the first thing I do is I boil eggs. A dozen Trader Joe's eggs that are pasture raised, organic, omega-3 eggs, and I boil them. I get the water going first, put a tablespoon of vinegar in there, put the eggs in, put the lid on. And I set the timer for 9 minutes. At the end of 9 minutes, I take them off, shell them, slice them, and they're ready to go on my salad. So this is my basic salad recipe. Arugula lettuce, I split it between 6 bowls. Eggs, tomatoes, and chia seeds. There we go. Here's the arugula. It's, I don't know, a couple dollars. It's organic, and it does fill 6 bowls. For the egg, I really feel like a little bit of planning in the beginning of the week can make the whole week so much better with cooking. Cooking can be such a chore and it can take up so much time. But I feel like if we do little things like this, it just makes life easier. And I'm into making life easier, that's for sure. Eggs done. Now for the tomato. You can definitely get your eggs already boiled and peeled. I just have never seen them organic that way. So if you know of a place that sells them that way, please let me know. All personal preference how much you want to put on each one and what you want to put on. You can put anything on these. But the key point is just to do it all at the beginning of the week, and then you have them. And chia seeds online and cheddar cheese on all. I buy the organic sharp cheddar cheese from New Zealand that they sell at Trader Joe's, and then I shred it in the food processor. These salads will stay until Friday. They won't go off. I'm gonna have one of these today, so I'll go ahead and put my avocado on there. I'd say half an avocado. And I always leave the seed in the other half and put it in a Ziploc. That way it keeps it fresh. If you take the seed out, it'll go brown. And I will put my cauliflower tabbouleh on there too. And just before I eat it, I'll put avocado oil, red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Take press and seal and put them over the other 5 salads. I'll put Keith's name on 3 of them so he knows they're his, and put them in the refrigerator, and they will last all week. Keith likes to add beets to his. I get these at Trader Joe's. They're very convenient. They're steamed and peeled, ready to eat, hot or cold. And then he will put cucumber that he chops up on them. I've put the endive on it sometimes. I slice it up really thin. And if you want a more substantial meal, like if you're having it for dinner or something, you can put egg salad from Trader Joe's or tuna salad from Trader Joe's. I hope that helps you make life easier this week and helps you get some raw veggies in your diet. Thanks for watching.